How are you doing today? In this video, I will be breaking down the 10 simple but powerful money principles that every adult should know. These are not just rules for the rich. They are habits anyone can use to build financial freedom, even if you are starting with zero. So let's get right into it. The number one principle is this. You just have to live below your means, okay? It's not about how much you earn. It's literally about how much you keep. Living below your means does not mean you have to live like a monk. It doesn't mean you have to suffer, okay? It just means you are choosing long-term peace over short-term pleasure. For instance, that new iPhone that you want to buy, that luxury dinner, it can wait, okay? But try to resist the urge to upgrade your phones every year. Number 2, build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Life will always throw curveballs. There could be job loss, there could be car repairs, medical bills, all of these things. So work out up to 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Fixed expenses should be saved, okay, as your emergency fund. Number 3 principle is this. Avoid bad debt. Use good debt wisely. Credit cards can be a trap. Using debt for wants instead of needs will keep you broke. But some debt, like investing in your education or a business, it will help you grow. That's good debt. So the key is this. Will this debt make me money or cost me money? So ask yourself that question before you go into any kind of debt. Number 4, always budget with purpose. Budgeting is not a punishment. It is permission. You are telling your money exactly where to go instead of wondering where it went. Now, you can use apps like Notion, Notebook, whatever it is. What matters is being intentional about it. Number 5, you have to invest early, even if it's small. No matter how small it is, as much as possible, invest early. You don't need to be rich for you to invest. You just need time and consistency. £50 a month invested early can become thousands later. The earlier you start, the less you have to put in to get a huge return. Number 6, never rely on one income stream. One income stream is like having one leg on a table. It means you are unstable. We live in a world where side hustles, digital skills, online businesses, opportunities are everywhere. So build multiple streams of income so that you are not financially vulnerable. Number 7, understand that financial literacy is a skill. No one is born good with money. It is something you learn. You have to read books, you have to listen to podcasts, you have to watch videos like this one. The more you know, the more empowered you become, and the less likely you are to get played by life or played by scammers. Number 8, set financial goals. Whether it's a short-term goal or a long-term goal, you have to set your goals. You can't hit a target you don't set. Let's say you want to travel, you want to buy a home, you want to retire at 40. Write it down. Break your big dreams into small actionable steps. Progress feels amazing and it's addictive. So as you are seeing yourself progressing, you want to do some more and you are happy with yourself. Number 9, protect your money via insurance. Protect it from scammers too. Making your money is one thing, keeping it is another. So make sure you are insured where it counts. Health insurance, life insurance, car insurance. In the digital world, stay alert, okay? If it sounds too good to be true, it is probably not true. Number 10, give generously but wisely. Giving is powerful, whether it is to your family, your community, or for a cause. Generosity is part of abundance. Don't give from a place of guilt. Give with a plan. That way you help others without hurting yourself. That brings me to black tax, okay? You have to be wise. It is good to give. It is good to help. But do not give without also planning yourself. So how many of these money principles are you already applying? Drop your score out of 10 in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and share it with someone who needs a financial glow up in 2025. Remember, money does not change who you are. It only amplifies it. So become the person, that kind of person who knows exactly what they want and how they want it.